Alright, let's dive in. Ever found yourself juggling multiple business ventures and thought, man, if only there was a way to keep all this organized in one place? Or maybe you're staring at a spreadsheet jungle, each tab a different company, and you're dreaming of a unified system. That brings us to the big question. Can you have multiple companies in NetSuite? Now, before we jump into the technical nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're running a thriving e-commerce store selling quirky socks. Business is booming. Then, an opportunity arises to launch a subscription box service for those same sock enthusiasts. And, just for fun, you decide to open a brick-and-mortar boutique to showcase your unique collection. 3 distinct businesses, each with its own inventory, customers, and financial complexities. Trying to manage all of that with separate software systems, or even worse, spreadsheets, is a recipe for chaos. You'd be dealing with data silos, inconsistent reporting, and a whole lot of headaches. That's where NetSuite's multi-subsidiary capabilities come into play. But let's back up for a second. What exactly is NetSuite? For those new to the platform, it's a cloud-based business management suite that integrates ERP, CRM, and e-commerce functionalities. Think of it as a central hub for all your business operations, from accounting and inventory management to sales and marketing. Now, when we talk about multiple companies in NetSuite, we're really talking about subsidiaries. NetSuite uses the concept of subsidiaries to represent different legal entities or business units within a single NetSuite account. This allows you to consolidate your operations and gain a holistic view of your entire business empire, while still maintaining the necessary separation for accounting and reporting purposes. So, yes, the answer is a resounding yes. You can absolutely have multiple companies or subsidiaries within NetSuite. But it's not just about having them. It's about how NetSuite manages them that makes it so powerful. Let's explore some key features that make NetSuite's multi-subsidiary management so effective. First, we have shared master data. This means that you can create a single customer record, vendor record, or item record that can be used across multiple subsidiaries. This eliminates redundant data entry and ensures consistency across your entire organization. Imagine your sock enthusiast buys a subscription box from your online store. Later, they visit your boutique and purchase a few more pairs. Because you're using shared master data, you'll have a complete view of their purchase history across all your businesses. This allows you to provide a more personalized customer experience and make informed marketing decisions. Next, we have consolidated reporting. NetSuite allows you to generate consolidated financial reports that provide a comprehensive overview of your entire business. You can drill down into individual subsidiaries to analyze performance and identify areas for improvement. This is crucial for making strategic decisions and ensuring the overall health of your organization. Think about it. You can see how each subsidiary is contributing to the overall revenue, profitability, and cash flow of your business. You can compare performance across different subsidiaries and identify trends and patterns. This level of visibility is invaluable for any multi-company operation. Then, there's intercompany transactions. NetSuite simplifies the process of managing transactions between subsidiaries. For example, if one subsidiary sells inventory to another, NetSuite automatically generates the necessary journal entries and eliminates the need for manual reconciliation. This saves time and reduces the risk of errors. Let's say your e-commerce store needs to replenish its stock from the inventory in your brick-and-mortar boutique. With NetSuite, this intercompany transfer is seamlessly handled, ensuring accurate inventory tracking and financial reporting. And of course, we can't forget about localized compliance. NetSuite supports multiple currencies, languages, and tax regulations, making it easy to comply with local requirements in different countries and regions. This is particularly important for businesses with international operations. So, if your sock empire expands to include a subsidiary in Europe, NetSuite can handle the VAT calculations and reporting requirements for that region. This ensures that you're always compliant with local regulations, no matter where your businesses operate. Now, let's address a common question. How do you set up multiple subsidiaries in NetSuite? The process involves defining your organizational structure, configuring your chart of accounts, and setting up intercompany elimination accounts. NetSuite's implementation consultants can guide you through this process and ensure that your system is configured to meet your specific needs. It's not just a click of a button, of course. It involves careful planning and consideration of your business requirements. You need to define the relationships between your subsidiaries, determine how you want to consolidate your financial data, and establish the necessary security and access controls. But once it's set up, the benefits are immense. You'll have a unified platform that allows you to manage all your businesses efficiently and effectively. Another key aspect to consider is access control. NetSuite allows you to define granular user roles and permissions, ensuring that employees only have access to the data and functionality they need. This is crucial for maintaining security and compliance, especially in a multi-subsidiary environment. You can restrict access to sensitive financial data, limit the ability to approve transactions, and ensure that only authorized personnel can make changes to the system. This level of control is essential for protecting your business from fraud and errors. And let's not forget about automation. NetSuite automates many of the manual processes associated with multi-subsidiary management, such as intercompany eliminations and consolidated reporting. This frees up your finance team to focus on more strategic tasks, such as analyzing performance and identifying opportunities for growth. Imagine the time savings from not having to manually reconcile intercompany transactions or generate consolidated reports. NetSuite automates these tasks, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Now, you might be wondering, is NetSuite right for my business? The answer depends on your specific needs and requirements. If you're running multiple companies or business units, or if you're planning to expand your operations in the future, NetSuite's multi-subsidiary capabilities can provide significant benefits. It's particularly well-suited for businesses with complex organizational structures, international operations, or a need for consolidated reporting and analysis. However, it's important to remember that NetSuite is a comprehensive ERP system, and it requires a significant investment of time and resources to implement and maintain. You need to carefully evaluate your needs and determine whether the benefits outweigh the costs. Also, it is crucial to think about the level of integration needed. Do you need to integrate with other systems, such as e-commerce platforms or CRM systems? NetSuite offers a wide range of integration options, but you need to ensure that the platform can meet your specific integration requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.